Ready to ditch the bulky air compressor for something more versatile? The Bosch, an 18V cordless brushless 18-gauge narrow crown stapler might be the solution, though it does have a couple of surprises that may give you a pause before hitting that buy now button. Constructed with Bosch's durable, heavy-duty materials, the Bosch is built to look and feel like a pro-level tool. Its all-black finish with blue accents exudes a professional, industrial vibe, ideal if you're looking for a tool that combines style and resilience. But does it feel as good as it looks? This model takes cordless to a new level with pneumatic-like power minus the hassle of air compressors and hoses. This stapler's 18-gauge capability is perfect for a wide range of applications like furniture, cabinetry, and upholstery. It's equipped with a powerful brushless motor that promises consistent depth and drive with every staple, enhancing both speed and accuracy in high-demand environments. Bosch has designed this tool with flexibility in mind. A single and bump fire mode allows you to choose between precise, single-shot use and rapid-fire mode, where you can work faster without compromising accuracy. Another standout feature is the ergonomic thumb wheel depth adjustment, making it quick and easy to get the exact staple depth you need without stopping the task. And in low-light solutions, Bosch's double LED setup comes in handy, giving your work area clear, even illumination. Compared to popular competitors like the DeWalt, the Bosch stands out for its unique one-handed activation and lighter recoil, allowing for superior comfort during prolonged use. However, it is worth noting that while both tools offer brushless motors and cordless flexibility, Bosch includes a more intuitive interface with its dry-fire lockout and service alert system for added convenience. Priced at around $430, it's an investment that may pay off in time saved and efficiency gained. If you're ready to streamline your workflow with advanced cordless technology, check out the Amazon link below for current offers on this Bosch stapler. So, what are the pros and cons of choosing this tool? Cons: higher price point compared to entry-level models. Slight learning curve for users accustomed to pneumatic tools. Additional battery costs if purchasing as a bare tool. Pros: one-handed activation for easy maneuvering. Tool-free depth adjustment with an ergonomic thumb wheel. Pneumatic-like power without compressors and hoses. Low recoil for improved comfort and control. Dual LED lights for better visibility in low-light conditions. Dry-fire lockout and jam clearing feature for uninterrupted workflow. Intuitive user interface with service alerts. If you're looking for a cordless stapler that delivers pneumatic performance in a compact, portable package, the Bosch is a strong contender. For the latest details, be sure to check out the Amazon link below and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on what tool review you would like to see next.